So I'm not doing the residency completely alone because it would be far too many days to keep going. So I'm sharing it with Anna-Maria Amato, who's not here at the moment, but I wanted to tell you that she's doing a workshop on Thursday the 15th of August, 5 till 7 p.m. And that's a stories workshop. Sorry, I am tired. It's been busy. A stories workshop, and it's a chance to look at artists' work and authors' stories and your own stories. And then on Thursday the 22nd of August, she's doing From the Imagination art workshop to explore and create and share to make a large interactive art installation. Well, that sounds fun, doesn't it? And I don't know, you can't see, the camera's not in it. There's the start of the community portrait, which I've stuck to the wall for the weekend. Because, yes, it is quite exhausting talking to people. It's wonderful, and it's really nice to see people taking an interest in the work. I really appreciate that. That's a wonderful sensation for any artist. And so please do keep on coming to 74 Moisa Road, SW16, and myself and Anna-Maria look forward to meeting you. Bye bye.